Hello, respectable audience. My question is square root of x divided by x is equal to 4, and we have to find the value of x. Remember that x should not be equal to 0. So let us come to start our solution. We have square fx divided by x is equal to 4. So first we will multiply this x to 4 to get square root of x is equal to 4x. Now we have squaring on both sides, so we will get square root of x. A square is equal to 4x square. Square and square root are cancelled, so x will be equal to 16x squared. Now we can write it 16x or square is equal to x, or 16x square minus x is equal to 0. Now we have to kick common x. We will get 16x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we have two cases, x is equal to 0, or 16x minus 1 is equal to 0. But remember that x should not be equal to 0. So we will solve this one. 16x will be equal to 1, and x will be equal to 1 by 16, which will be our solution set if it satisfies the equation. So verification is necessary for this solution. We have question, the square root of x divided by x is equal to 4. So square root of x mean 1 by 16 square root, and x is 1 by 16 is equal to 4. If we take square root of 1 by 16, we will get 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 16 is equal to 4. So 1 by 4 times 16 is equal to 4. 4 and 16 are cancelled, so 4 is equal to 4. Hence, our solution set will be equal to 1 by 16. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.